May mix natin guys yung precious milk today. Okay? Yung milk guys, dahan-dahan lang. Para yun, yes, yes. Yan, okay na to guys. Okay na. See, if Bella wants guys, okay. Sana magustuhan ng baby namin guys, yes. Okay guys, let's see. Okay guys, first smash meal of Bella. Let's see if she like. Oh, konti lang. Konti-konti lang, daddy. Ay, nakatingin siya. Nakatingin. Kakaiba to ah. Ay, parang. Ay, ayaw. Ayaw, 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 ayaw. Ay, ay. Ayaw. Ah, ah, Bella's reaction, guys. Versus smash meal. Ay, ay, ay. Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm.
Inaantok ba ikaw? Yay! Yummy, yummy. 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 May kumikislap dyan. Pag sinaksak mo yan eh, kumikislap. Yummy. Lagyan mo ng tape yung mga yun. Oops, 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 oops. Bebe, yum yum. Oh, ano na nangyari? Ano na nangyari? Bebe. Water, baby. Water. Wait lang ah. Ayan. Ah, ito pa, ito pa. water? Mm. Yum yum. Ah, patay nga. Ah, nga. Dol. Oh. Bakit, bebe? Ba't lumulungay nga ito? Naantok ka ba, bebe? Bella? Naantok na ang bella ko? Naantok yata ang bella ko, ma. Naantok ba ikaw? Bella, ah. Gusto mo ba, Bella? Bella. Busog ka pa, Bella. Bella. Bella, bebe. Busog ka pa, Bella.
Busog pa ang Bella?
Mm.
Busog pa ang Bella? Wait, naman ka muna.
Lumulungay ngayon. Lumulungay ngayon.
Wait. Sabi Bella. Bella. Sige, si Daddy na.
Akala ko parang yung na antok na ako.
Ay?
Gaganon ng katawan.
Wala sa mood si Bella.
Bigla ko namang yuyoko ng gano'n.
Kung gano'n ang gawain niya.
Ano tuloy?
Ganun gawain niya.
Nawa ko.
Sige.
Baka nangangalay ka.
Ako tingin si Daddy na. Daddy! Sige, bitaw mami. Ayun.
Yan mo, baka lumungay ngayon na naman. Mamaya, pag lumungay ngayon, nahulog.
It's Daddy's turn. Ay, kumusta ako? Parang wala pa ata sila masyado. Ano ito yung nasa gilid? Nalaglag ba ito? Okay. Oh, konti-konti lang. Very good. Ay. Very good. Masyadong mahaba yung Bella. Yung broccoli. Nadudurog lang yung kamote.
Hindi ba minsan yung kamote parang may bulat?
Ito hindi naman ganun. Yung broccoli yun. Ano, Bella? Yung broccoli yun, ano? Ay. Bella. Ayun, naku, kailangan mo na. Nag-water na sila. Naku, lalong madaming water kailangan mo, Bella. Guys, first. First smash food ng Bella namin, guys. Yung mga nakaraan, naka-blender lang. Nakalagay kasi pag 7 to 8 months. Pwede na yun smash, guys. So, eto. Gusto naman ng Bella namin. Yan! Get ng Bella namin. Ay, ay, ay! Ay, 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 ay! Ayun. Buti nagugustuhan ni Bella yung prepare ng daddy niya. Sabi siguro, kaysa wala daddy. Daddy, kaysa walang food. Pagtyagaan ko na. Oh! Oy! Getting stronger, bigger, taller, and intelligent. Okay. Getting stronger, taller, bigger, intelligent Bella. Okay. Bella is getting stronger, bigger, intelligent Bella. Okay. Okay. Wow. Okay. Okay. First time, guys. First time is smash food for Bella. Konti-konti lang. Konti-konti lang, Daddy. Yan, ayan, ayan. Naghanap ka ng mangunguya. Ayan. Meron ka na ngayon. Meron ka na ngayon pagkain nginunguya, Bella. Yan, ha. Ayun, ay, very good! Very good! Lagyan kaya ng konting guys. Yala. Bella! Kuwawa naman yung dalaga namin. Hindi na ayos ng daddy damit, ah. No. Here's your food, Bella. Here's your food, Bella. Bella Bells, yoo-hoo! Bella Bells. Bella Bells, yoo-hoo! Okay, konti-konti lang. Pagdating guys ng 8 months, up to 9 months, ay, pwede na yun, small chop. Yes, small chop. Tapos, big chunks pagdating 9 months. Yun. Big chunks na Bella. What are you doing, Bella? I'm sorry. What are you doing to your shirt, Bella? Ayun. What? Oh, somebody's calling Bella. Who is this? Ay. Finish. Water. Water will after Bella, baby. Water after meal, Bella, baby. Yes. Bella loves to drink water, guys. Yes. During and after meal. Yeah. Bella drinks water during and after meal. Yoo-hoo. Yoo-hoo. Kaya healthy ang Bella. Healthy ang Bella. Healthy ang Bella. Bella said, Ubus yung water niya. Ubus yun na yung water niya. Very good. Yes. Okay. Kailangan mo mas madami uminom ngayon ng water. Kasi hindi na naka-blender yung food mo, Bella. Okay. Medyo lampas na siya sa semi-solid food. Almost na ano yun. Almost all ewan ko. Daddy can say can describe the words you want to say. Cannot say the word Daddy, cannot say the word he wanted to say. Yeah. Sometimes Daddy's running out of, running out. Oh, look Daddy doing. I'm going to cut that. That is no itchy. That's why it's doing like this, yeah. Okay. Very good naman ang Bella namin. Drink a lot of water. Drink. Dati guys, ayaw uminom ng tubig. Ayun. Habang kumakain, at pagkatapos kumain. Pinam na. Oh, alas maubos niya yung water niya guys. You want more? Enough. You're bottle already. Guys, thank you. Okay.